When you talk about superbikes that blend cutting-edge technology, breathtaking speed, and a racing pedigree that dominates the track, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR stands right at the front of the pack. Kawasaki didn't just upgrade a motorcycle here, they fine-tuned a championship-winning machine, designed for riders who want the closest experience possible to a world superbike in street-legal form. The ZX-10RR is not just about power, it's about delivering that power with razor-sharp precision, and this year's model brings an evolution that makes it more formidable than ever. At the heart of the 2025 Ninja ZX-10RR is its 998 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, inline-4 engine that produces around 204 horsepower in stock form, and even more when equipped with a full racing exhaust. Kawasaki's engineering team has optimized the camshafts, valves, and combustion chamber for even smoother airflow and higher RPM performance. This is an engine that screams on the track but stays incredibly manageable on the street thanks to advanced electronics that constantly read and adjust to every movement of the throttle, brake, and wheels. The response is instant, the acceleration relentless, and the top speed, well past the 300 km/h mark, is something you feel as much as you measure. The chassis remains a beautifully balanced aluminum twin-spar frame, refined for stiffness in all the right places to give riders a planted yet agile feel. For 2025, the ZX-10RR continues to use the highly praised Showa balance-free front fork and rear BFRC light shock, both fully adjustable for compression, rebound, and preload. This suspension setup comes directly from Kawasaki's Superbike racing program, which means it's built to handle the harshest braking zones, the fastest sweepers, and the trickiest mid-corner bumps without losing composure. Combined with the aerodynamic winglets integrated into the fairing, the bike feels glued to the tarmac even when the speedometer is climbing at an alarming rate. Electronics play a massive role in making the ZX-10RR both faster and safer. The 2025 model carries over Kawasaki's state-of-the-art Sport Kawasaki traction control, launch control, engine brake control, and cornering ABS, all tuned through a Bosch IMU for precise lean angle awareness. The riding modes allow you to completely transform the bike's character, from a street-friendly, slightly restrained setup to a no-compromise, full-power mode that unleashes the Ninja's inner beast. And for the track purists, the quickshifter works seamlessly in both directions, letting you fly through gears without touching the clutch. One of the most striking updates for 2025 is in the aerodynamics. Kawasaki's MotoGP-inspired front cowl now integrates improved downforce winglets for greater stability during high-speed runs, without increasing drag. The twin